In this video, we will review using minimum earnings, smart offers, and smart shipping discounts. These features will allow you to send multiple discounts based on the pricing that you choose when sending offers. Let's show you how to set these features up on the Closet Assistant. First up, you want to make sure you have your Poshmark page open on Google Chrome. Navigate to the Closet Assistant and the Make an Offer tab. Near the top on the Make an Offer tab, you will see a minimum earnings filter. By default, you will see a 0 in this field. You can see any changes in the activity log. When sending offers, if I select a value of 20, only offers will be sent that reflect a minimum earnings of $20 or more. Anything that's less than $20 will not be sent. So if you have a closet of 1,000 items and you want to make sure that you're always earning a certain amount per item when sending offers, if you over time have increase the discount range and you want to change the minimum earnings per item, you will enter that here. I can change this to 50 or whatever you would like. And when you send an offer, only items that result in an earnings of $50 or more will be sent out to potential buyers. Anything less will not be sent. Next up, you will see the discount ranges that have always been in the Closet Assistant, the 10 to 20 to 30, and the custom range. Custom has its drop-down box. Next up, you will see the new feature where you can use smart discounts. These will allow you to set different discounts based on pricing that you choose to send. So for higher dollar items, you might want to give a little bit more of a discount. For lower end items or that are a little bit cheaper, you want to maybe not provide as much of a discount. You can turn those on or off. You have 3 different modes. In the activity log, you will see if the modes are on or off. Here I have all the modes selected. Mode A is less than or equal to. So with mode A on, items that are $25 or less will receive a 10% discount when you send offers. Mode B is greater than or equal to. Is greater than or equal to. When sending that offer, items $36 or greater will receive a 20% discount. Mode C is a range. You can send a range of whatever you like, but here we have a range of $26 to $35 will receive a 15% discount. One thing to note is all of these ranges must not overlap. For example, if I change this value to a 20 in this range, you'll see that it overlaps with mode A because we already have a discount going out at items less than $25 receiving a 10% discount. And so now you're trying to give additional discount in the same range. So if I change that back to 26, you'll see mode C was changed back and you won't receive an error message here. So you can use all the modes at the same time, or you can use just one of them if you want to send offers at a certain range there. This is very helpful to set different values and different discounts on offers being sent. Next, you'll see the shipping options. You always have to apply a shipping discount when sending an offer. We have the $4.99, $5.95, and the free, which are Poshmark defaults. Now you'll see smart shipping discounts. You can apply different shipping discounts based on pricing of items. Above, we'll use the same default numbers. Mode A, less than or equal to $25, will receive a $4.99 shipping discount. If I set mode B, greater than or equal to $36, I can give those users a free shipping discount, or I can give them also $5.95, or I can change it to $4.90, whatever you would like. depending on the price. In mode C, less than or equal to $26 and greater than equal to $35, I can give them free shipping or I can give them $5.95 shipping. It's whatever you would like to choose there to help maximize sales and profits in your closet. On the autopilot tab, you will see the minimum earnings filter. You'll also see the smart discounts here. You can turn those modes on or off, as well as smart shipping discounts on the autopilot. Those work the same way as the make an offer tab. The one thing to note is if you deselect the instant offers option, you will not see those. So turning those on, you see all of the offers. For those that are not using the autopilot, this setting on the autopilot allows you to send offers the moment someone likes an item in your closet. The second someone likes an item in your closet, the autopilot will automatically send the offer to that user because that user is active at the moment. This will help try to seal a sale and help increase profits in your closet. If you have any questions about using these features, feel free to email us at info@closetassistantpm.com.